Ready for a keystroke revolution? Brand new typing jobs are taking the stage, and they come with a promise of helping you earn $220 a day online. It's like unlocking a treasure chest of words and turning them into gold. Whether you're a wordsmith or simply someone who's dabbled in the world of keys and screens, this video is your passage to typing for cash. Stay tuned as we reveal the exciting opportunities that can put $220 in your wallet every day. Let's embark on this typing journey and start making money online. This platform not only opens up to the prospect of passive income, but also serves as a valuable means to supplement your existing income through various typing jobs. The platform in question is none other than Amazon Mechanical Turk. And it's no surprise that it's under the Amazon umbrella. Given Amazon's colossal stature and impeccable reputation, this platform stands out as a robust and significant opportunity for those seeking online earning prospects. At Amazon Mechanical Turk, you have the opportunity to make money during your free hours by completing straightforward tasks. As you navigate through the available tasks, you'll notice a wide array of options. These tasks encompass a spectrum of activities, such as aiding companies in data research, cross-verifying specific details like phone numbers or operating hours, and compiling data to populate market research profiles. The essence of these tasks lies in searching for information online and inputting into spreadsheets, providing a valuable service to companies that require this form of data entry. The tasks are typically as uncomplicated as typing out the information you encounter. One of the merits of Amazon Mechanical Turk is its user-friendliness, making it accessible even for newcomers to online earning opportunities. If you explore the reviews section, you will encounter individuals who have shared their earnings from using Amazon Mechanical Turk. These personal anecdotes shed light on real-world success stories within the platform, offering valuable insights into how others have profited from their involvement. Now let's move on to the final website, which stands out as the most financially rewarding among the trio. What sets it apart is the sheer abundance of available projects. The platform assures you the prospect of consistently earning around $200 per hour, and this is due to the virtually endless supply of tasks awaiting your attention and completion. Next on our list is freelancer.com, a platform that provides a vast array of opportunities. To zero in on data entry projects, start by inputting data entry into the search bar. After this, navigate to the fixed price projects section, which distinguishes itself by offering projects with predetermined payouts, providing you with a crystal clear visibility into your potential earnings from the outset. As you explore the available data entry tasks within this category, you will notice a wide spectrum of opportunities, each coming with its associated payment. For instance, you might come across a straightforward data entry job that offers a $15 payout, another one for $10, and yet another for $20. The list is extensive, and occasionally you might stumble upon projects that promise substantial payments, sometimes surpassing $200 or even reaching the $400 mark. The essence of these tasks primarily involves data entry and research, making them perfectly suited for remote work from the comforts of your own home. What's more, many of these projects allows you to potentially earn up to $1,000, granting you substantial flexibility in terms of both when and where you choose to work. And that's it for today. Please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.